Before continuing on to Category 5, I'd like to show you how to ask a question in Spanish. First of all, let's look at what happens in English. Here we have a statement, it is possible. And then we have the same thing but as a question, is it possible? So you can see in English we have a reversal of word order. We have it is possible statement, but is it possible? It becomes a question. Now this doesn't happen in Spanish. What we have is the exact same phrase for a statement and a question. For example, we have es posible. It's possible. There we have a statement. But we have the same thing as a question. Now, while it's obvious that it's a question when you're looking at the written language because we have the question marks, how do you distinguish it when it's the spoken language? Well, the key is in the tone or the intonation of your voice. So a statement would be es posible, but a question would be es posible? The important thing to realize is that you never rearrange word order in order to ask a question in Spanish. You simply use the intonation of your voice to indicate clearly that this is no longer a statement, but instead a question. So once again we have statement, es posible. But question, es posible? Let's practice. How would you say it's normal? Es normal. Now, how would you ask? Is it normal? Es normal? How would you ask, is it normal this way? ¿Es normal así? How would you say, it's for me? Es para mí. Now ask, is it for me? ¿Es para mí? Try this next one. How would you say, it was intentional? Fue intencional. Now ask, was it intentional? Fue intencional? How would you say, he is very musical? Es muy musical. Now ask that same thing. Is he very musical? Es muy musical. It's acceptable this way. Es aceptable así. Is it acceptable this way? ¿Es aceptable así? It was inevitable. Fue inevitable. Was it inevitable? Fue inevitable? Hopefully you get the idea. Whenever you want to ask a question in Spanish, you simply use the intonation of your voice to differentiate between a statement and a question. You never need to rearrange the order of the words as we do in English. I'll see you for Category 5.